Instead of removing duplicates in Excel, which can be a little dangerous, why not try conditional formatting to display the duplicates on screen? Then you can decide what to do about them. The part numbers in column C should all be unique in my spreadsheet, but there's a chance for errors, so I'll highlight the whole column. Then from the Home tab on the ribbon, I'll choose Conditional Formatting, and then from Highlight Cell Rules, I'll choose Duplicate Values, and I'll change it to yellow. And OK. Now if I scroll through my document, I can see a duplicate value, and another. So there you have it, a quick and safe way to find duplicates in your spreadsheet. Great! And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.